Hi buddy, how are you? Are you looking to install Windows 10 on DigitalOcean? As you might know, DigitalOcean doesn't offer any Windows OS, but I have figured out a way to make it happen easily. So in this video, I am going to configure 4-core Intel and 8 GB RAM for Windows RDP server. I also let you know how you can grab free $200 credit for 60 days. Now let's get started. First of all, hit a free credit link. You can find this link in a first comment box. Then hit sign up with email. Enter your full name. Enter a valid email ID. Set a strong password. Hit sign up button. It will check for bot. Okay, we have passed. Now we have to confirm our email ID. So check your inbox. Hit this confirmation link. Our email ID has been verified. Now we have to fill out this form. What do you plan to build on DigitalOcean? Just select website or content site. What is your role or business type? Select others. What is your monthly spend on cloud infrastructure across cloud platform? Just select as per your need. How many employees work at your company? I work alone. How do you prefer to manage cloud resource? Cloud console, and then submit. Now it's time to verify your payment information. Here you will see two methods. The first method is add a credit card. Second method is PayPal. If you don't want to pay anything, then choose first method. But if you don't have a credit card, then of course you have to choose second method, which require at least a deposit of $5. But I have a credit card, then I'm going to choose the first method. Fill the credit card info. Fill your billing address. After filling all the details, hit save and sign up button. Your card will be charged for $5, but it will refund instantly after verification. Let's finish this verification. Make a payment. Your free trial has been activated. Now we can do many things right here. We actually need virtual machine to launch Windows RDP. Actually, we can see we got a $200 credit for 60 days. Now you can check your bank account. You can see $5 has been credited back. Go to grid, select Droplet. Here you will see 9 data center. So select a nearest data center for better latency. Unless you are going to access some banned content, then select a neutral one. I'm going to select Bangalore for better latency. Choose Ubuntu. It's already selected, and it's the latest version, which is already selected. In a plan, select a premium Intel. Select this one. 4-core Intel CPU, 8 GB RAM. Go to down. Set a strong password. In finalize details, name your server. Now hit create Droplet. It will take few moments to install. Hit your server name. Go to recovery. Select boot from recovery ISO. Wait for. Now go to power, then hit power cycle. Will immediately hard reset your server. Now hit recovery console. Enter 6 to go to interactive cell. Copy the command I will provide this command in a comment box. Right click here and paste. Hit enter. It will download Windows, so it may take hours. It's been downloaded 100%. Close it. Go to recovery. Boot from hard drive. Go to power. Hit power cycle again to reset your server. Go to access. Launch recovery console. You will see Windows 10 interface. Wow, drop a like for this effort. Hit enter. Enter the password. Hit enter again. Here you will see another pointer which acts like a drunk person. This happened because there is issue internet connection at this RDP. So first of all we have to fix it with this drunk pointer. Actually it's a most complex part of this video. So drag drunk pointer to network. Click on network. Sometimes you will see features like this. Just copy, select open network and sharing center. On change adapter setting, choose first instance, right click on it, click properties, select internet protocol version 4, go to properties, choose second option. Now enter the IP address what you see below. Enter subnet marks right here. You can use tab key to navigate your cursor. Now default gateway. Go to down. We will use Cloudflare DNS as it is one of the fastest DNS in the world. So enter 1 1 1 0 0 1. Enter. Okay. Close it. If you see like this window, then you have configured properly. Now click on yes. Now internet will work well on this RDP. Close this console. You will access RDP through RDP client. Click add PC. Enter server IP. Hit plus. Username. Password. Save it again, hit on this, Connect anyway. Wow. Now our RDP working properly. Close the window. I will recommend to change your password. Open control panel. Click change account type. Choose your account. Change password. Enter your current password. New password. Confirm your password. Enter a hint. Change password. Password has been changed. Now we will check our RDP spec and internet speed. So run command prompt dxdiag. Yes, here we can see system manufacturer is DigitalOcean, processor Intel 4 core, memory 8 GB RAM, launch Internet Explorer. To download Microsoft Edge for better browsing, either you can install Chrome browser, internet speed test. Go. Download speed is around 1.6 Gbps. Upload speed it is just 861 Mbps, which is somewhat good. If you successfully install your RDP at this stage, you may consider to subscribe us. But I will tell you one word, the kind of RDP is only good for temporary work, not for professional work. So if you are serious looking for a reliable and professional like genuine Windows OS, then check this video. Now thank you for watching this video. See you again in the next video.